In the rapidly evolving world of artificial intelligence, breakthroughs that seamlessly blend creativity with technology are few and far between. However, the recent update from Minimax AI has not only achieved this, but has also redefined the boundaries of what's possible in digital creation. If you're an artist, animator, content creator, or simply someone passionate about bringing ideas to life, the Minimax AI Update 2024 is a game changer you simply cannot afford to miss. Let me share how this revolutionary tool transformed my creative process in just 12 hours. Minimax AI has long been a beacon for creators, offering robust solutions for image-to-video and text-to-video transformations. Their flagship model, 12V01, has been instrumental in helping countless individuals and professionals turn static images and written narratives into dynamic visual content. But as impressive as 12V01 was, Minimax AI has now taken it a step further with their latest release, the 12V01 Live model. The 12V01 Live model is not just an upgrade, it's a revolution in the realm of AI-powered animation. Designed as part of the i2V image-to-video family, this new model is specifically tailored to animate 2D illustrations, including anime and a diverse array of artistic styles. Imagine taking your static drawings and watching them come to life with fluid movements, expressive gestures, and lifelike speech, all within a matter of hours. That's exactly what 12V01 Live delivers. One of the standout features of the 12V01 Live update is its enhanced smoothness and vivid motion capabilities. Traditional animation can be time-consuming and technically demanding, often requiring a deep understanding of motion dynamics and timing. With 12V01 Live, the AI handles these complexities effortlessly, ensuring that your characters move naturally and convincingly. Whether it's a subtle smile or an action-packed sequence, every motion is rendered with exceptional fluidity and realism. Beyond just smooth movements, 12V01 Live excels in delivering stability and subtle expressions. This means no more jittery animations or awkward transitions. The AI meticulously manages each frame to maintain consistency, allowing your characters to express emotions and actions with finesse. Whether you're animating a heartfelt scene or a high-energy dialogue, the subtlety and precision of 12V01 Live elevate your storytelling to new heights. Creativity thrives on diversity, and Minimax AI understands that. The 12V01 Live model supports a wide range of artistic styles, from traditional hand-drawn anime to modern digital illustrations. This versatility empowers artists to experiment and expand their creative horizons without being confined to a single aesthetic. Whether you're an indie animator, a professional studio, or a hobbyist, 12V01 Live adapts to your unique vision, making it an indispensable tool in your creative arsenal. Adding another layer of sophistication. So let's compare the 12V01 and the enhanced 12V01 Live. Let's explore their distinct features and strengths side by side. We'll analyze how each model performs with various types of content, including anime, 3D, and 2D, providing insights into which model is better suited for different creative needs. This detailed comparison will not only help showcase the potential of these models, but also guide creators in leveraging them effectively. But first, let's compare using the videos generated using the two models.
Mystery to find.
So here are some things you need to know concerning the two models. 12v01 output. The anime characters generated with 12v01 demonstrate a solid foundation in style and design. The movements are smooth, though they can sometimes feel a bit rigid, especially in complex motions like facial expressions or subtle gestures. The detailing in the character designs is impressive, capturing vibrant colors and distinct anime aesthetics, reliable for simple, straightforward animations with clear designs and clean transitions. 12v01 Live elevates anime-style animations to a new level. The characters exhibit a fluidity in motion that was previously difficult to achieve, with enhanced expressions and more natural movements. For instance, characters blink more realistically, and their gestures flow seamlessly, making them feel alive. Even in scenes with complex lighting, shadows and highlights are rendered dynamically, perfect for complex anime animations requiring intricate movements, subtle emotions, and dynamic effects like flowing hair or fabric, and even more. But in all, I would like to know what you think about the toy. You can place your comment in the comment box below. Which do you think is better in terms of quality and movement? When you open Minimax, you'll notice an option on the right-hand side to choose between the 12v01 or 12v01 Live models. The latter is marked as new, and all you need to do is click it. Next, navigate to the upload section. Select the image you want to work with from your files. Wait for the image to load up. And click on the upload button. Once the image is uploaded, click the generate button. You'll see a message that says, optimizing prompt in progress, indicating the system is converting your image into a video. Simply wait for a while, and your video will be ready. For example, I've already generated some images using the 12v01 model, including an image of a guy riding a bicycle. These results are exceptional, showcasing impressive quality and effects. However, the 12v01 Live model takes it a step further by delivering stunning results with a unique style, superior quality, enhanced effects, and smooth movements. To demonstrate further, I repeated the process for a second image. After selecting and uploading the image, I clicked Generate and waited for the conversion to complete. The 12v01 Live model's output truly stands out, offering exceptional animations and effects. Stay tuned as I continue to showcase various animations generated with this incredible tool. Here's why you should make the switch today. Efficiency. Save countless hours in the animation process by leveraging AI-driven smoothness and motion. Quality. Achieve professional-grade animations with stability and subtle expressions that resonate with audiences. Versatility. Support for a wide range of artistic styles means no creative limits. Integration. Seamless text-to-speech functionality adds depth to your characters effortlessly. User-friendly. Intuitive interfaces make it accessible for both beginners and seasoned professionals. If you're ready to take your illustrations and narratives to the next level, the 12v01 Live model is the tool you've been waiting for. Embrace the future of animation today and watch your creativity come to life like never before. Don't let your ideas remain static. Transform them with Minimax AI and experience the magic of 12v01 Live for yourself. The link is in the description. If you have watched to this point, do not forget to subscribe and click the bell notification button to get notified whenever I post a video. Also like and share this video so that YouTube can recommend me to others. Thank you.